Hey everyone, Dalton with Byrider Madison. Just making a quick video for you. Recently I got asked what is my favorite winter feature on a vehicle. Didn't take me very long. It was pretty simple. Obviously I was thinking heated seats, heated steering wheel, very nice. But my all-time favorite feature on any vehicle, especially in wintertime, is the remote start, like the white Traverse has here. Obviously very nice, especially if you park outside. It's going to heat up your car inside and obviously keep it nice and warm for you. Also, if you do park outside or not in a garage, it also can help melt that snow off that obviously might be on the car. And I just remote started it with the fob there, as you can see with the lights on there. Very simple to do as well. Lets you do it twice and stays running for 10 minutes. So you can do it twice, like I said. And also really nice features if you decide not to go out or wherever you may be going, you decide you want to stay home, you can actually turn it off with the fob as well, and then it stays locked. So yeah, that's probably my favorite feature, especially for winter. If you are looking for a car, give us a call. Be glad to try and help you. 608-663-1213. Talk to you soon. Bye.